What is the deal on the corporate side? What happens to the banks, especially the private sector ones, institutions like HDFC, when 26 public sector banks come together and already hold about 75% of the market share in the 20 lakh loan category? Does that mean that the private banks will now lose out? Is this the start of a new public sector banking cartel in the Indian market?
अभी तक तो सिर्फ बात ही कर रहे हैं, अब शायद वो कम भी करेंगे.
No more indirect taunts, just a direct challenge in the official language of a government-owned bank, especially at a time when 26 of them have come together to try and cut home loan rates.
The stimulus will come if more homes are sold, if more homes are built. And as we also gave you data that more than 80% of the home loans in the books of the public sector banks belong to this category of people up to 20 lakhs.
But opening a chest of 15,000 to 20,000 crore rupees over the next 6 months may also end up hitting the profitability of these banks. A good enough reason to spark off a debate in banking circles, especially for private sector banks who are now in a tough spot, having to decide between cutting rates and taking a hit on their profitability and losing market share. Data given by the Indian Banks Association shows that PSU banks already hold a rough 75% of the market for home loans below 20 lakhs, with HDFC and ICICI Bank taking a bulk of the share among private lenders. The fear is that a scheme like this would give PSU banks an unfair advantage, especially since the largest share of home loans are in the range of up to 20 lakhs. But sources at private banks like HDFC and ICICI say they may not have the option to follow PSU banks into cutting rates. Bankers explain that their cost of funds remains in the range of 10 to 11% even now. For them to offer loans at below 10% would mean taking a direct hit to the P&L. Analysts also say that private banks should hold their line since they do not expect any significant market share impact from a limited scheme of this nature.
How much of negative impact will it have on the banking? I really don't know, because it does not really trigger off a buying kind of a frenzy that, if we may ask or say so, will possibly come into effect.
With the government issuing a clear directive that people looking to buy homes must be helped in some way, PSU banks had little option but to come out with a package like this. But the broader objective of bringing home loan rates down in the market still may not be achieved immediately, with private banks remaining cagey on how they'll react. In Mumbai with Dipti Agarwal, Ira Dugal for NDTV.